Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today video we are going to open some Snoop Slime. If you're with me, then just keep on watching. This is a slime that's called Space Mouth. It comes with this other cool slime. And it also comes with these cute little charms for space slime milk. Now I want to open the next slime. Wow, so cool. This looks like frosting slime. It also brings confetti. Let's start making. Let's open Space Mouth. So smooth and fluffy. Sticky. It smells so good. It smells like a marshmallow. Let's open the blue one. Let's see what's inside. Little cubes. Let's take it out and add it to space milk. How it looks. Let's add the sprinkles. There is this moon blue dripping one. There's a cow and a stars and some moons. Oh, wow. So cool. Cow moo. Yee. Put it back, and then let's put our next slime. Now let's open rainbow tip frosting slime. Oh, it's fluffy and smooth. Now let's add the sprinkles. Now play with it. Wow! So fluffy. It smells like frosting. That's it. You could squeeze it. You could see the sprinkles when you stretch it. I love it. Alright, this sums up my video for today. Like and subscribe. Bye.